true advisor is someone who say wrong even if it is a builder. Apartment has witnessed the growth story of 4 to 5 years, so real appreciation has already gone. मैं अगर ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर प्री लॉन्च नहीं होता तो मोहाली की मार्केट इतनी मैच्योर रियल एस्टेट में कभी होती ही नहीं।
Start with the biggest question.
Sure.
क्या आप रियल एस्टेट में सच में पैसे कमा सकते हो विदाउट गेटिंग स्कैम्ड?
रियल एस्टेट ही एक अकेली ऐसी ऑप्शन है जिसमें बिना स्कैम के आप पैसे कमा सकते हैं।
राइट, एंड वो कैसे?
देखो, very simple logic. You have to go with a branded builder. You have to go with a builder who has a track record. You have to go with a builder who believe in what he is doing.
राइट
This is the only way you can just go and make wealth.
राइट
Matlab, I will always say that don't run for opportunities anywhere where they come. So selection of the right builder is the key to making wealth in real estate.
तो इसमें एक एडवाइजर का क्या रोल रहता
Advisor, there are not many advisors these days. Let's be honest, आजकल बहुत advisors हैं. A true advisor is someone who say wrong even if it is a builder who he has to say wrong.
है?
So an advisor is a one who with his experience should easily be able to judge that which builder is right, which builder is wrong, which builder is performing well, which builder is not performing well. A right advisor is the one who can question the builder also when he doesn't work in the right direction.
राइट, दैट मेक्स थोड़ा सेंस एक्चुअली। तो आजकल प्री लॉन्च प्रोजेक्ट्स बड़ी हाइप प्रोजेक्ट्स में बड़े हाइप में है, तो ऑनेस्टली बताएं ये एक्चुअली में गोल्ड माइन है या बड़ा हाई रिस्क है?
किरण, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, रिस्क तो होगा ही अगर आप एक नॉन ब्रांडेड बिल्डर या अनट्रस्टेड सोर्सेज के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। अब जैसे आपने वर्ड यूज़ किया ना, गोल्ड माइन, मोहाली मार्केट में 2020 से 2025 तक आज तक जितना भी रियल एस्टेट ग्रो किया है वो प्री लॉन्च की वजह से ही ग्रो किया है। मैं अगर ये बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर प्री लॉन्च नहीं होता तो मोहाली की मार्केट इतनी मैच्योर रियल एस्टेट में कभी होती ही नहीं। सो येस, प्री लॉन्च इज अ वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मेक मनी एज एन इन्वेस्टर, टू बाय अ होम एज एन एंड यूजर, provided we follow the guidelines what is meant for a pre-launch project.
राइट।
So this is like a boom for real estate market.
ये जो मंथली इजी प्लान्स होते हैं, आर दे रियल टूल्स फॉर वेल्थ बिल्डिंग या सिर्फ एक मार्केटिंग गिमिक है?
अरे ये मंथली इजी पेमेंट प्लान नहीं रह गए हैं. Now they have become yearly easy payment plans.
ओके।
Lot of builder have given flexibility to buyers to pay the entire amount in just 4 or 5 installments over a period of 5 years. So it is just not a marketing gimmick. It is a true that builders have offered an opportunity for people to buy a property for themselves without taking a burden of a loan, without taking a burden of personal loans, housing loans, and own a property in 5 years with just paying over a period of time slowly. So they are not gimmicks, they are true. A lot of builders have already offered possessions basis these payment plans from 2021 until 2025. So they're real.
ऑलराइट, ग्रेट। तो अगर आपको सिर्फ एक प्रॉपर्टी को चूज करना हो 2025 में, तो वो कौन सी रहेगी और क्यों?
Dekho, it is not a tough question to answer, but yes, you have to be choosy to name a builder.
राइट।
I would say अगर हम 2025 की बात कर रहे हैं ना, तो lately Mohali has witnessed a project under a brand name GB Reality. Considering the way this company has come up, considering the way this company is growing in last almost a year in Mohali market, I can say that they're going to give fabulous returns to investors. I can say that as a customer, if you are buying their properties, they have, their tagline is passion for excellence.
ओके।
So they definitely the market will witness a very professional builder in the market. So I would name GB Reality as one of them. And another project which I say in 2025, Nobel Group has come up with a project in Sector 88
ओके।
by the name Noble Aurelia.
राइट।
So phase 1 of that project is already approved and the construction is going in a fantastic manner. So I would consider these two properties for 2025.
ग्रेट। You have been in this business for over a decade. तो कोई एक ऐसी मिस्टेक जो फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स करते हैं और बार-बार करते हैं और जो उन्हें महंगी पड़ती है?
फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्टर्स जो एक मिस्टेक हमेशा करते हैं, वो मिस्टेक है रेडी पोजेशन अपार्टमेंट परचेज करने की।
Okay, and how is that a mistake?
सी अपार्टमेंट्स जो होते हैं ना, अपार्टमेंट की एक लाइफ साइकिल है ग्रोथ का, जिसमें द ओनली पीपल हु गेट मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट आर द वन हु बाय एट अ वेरी प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज। We were using the word pre-launch,
Right.
or at a very initial stage of construction, wherein the builder has just started the construction, because that is a leverage of market growing up in 5 years and investors' money growing up in 5 years. But traditionally लोग डरते हैं कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, तो वो एक रेडी पोजेशन अपार्टमेंट परचेज कर लेते हैं जाके। रेडी पोजेशन का मतलब है दैट apartment has witnessed the growth story of 4 to 5 years, so real appreciation has already gone.
All right.
Now, if I only talk about rental yield around the globe, if you check, rental yield will never cross 3% on the current price of the property, which is hardly a return to get on the property. So I always say to my buyers, if they are first time buyers or whether if they want a ready possession apartment as an investment, I completely disagree with it.
And if somebody has to buy an apartment to stay, not just as an investment?
See, if it is a stay, then the dynamics changes everything. That means you have funds immediately available either through your own sources, or probably you have a ready availability of bank funding, which you can comfortably over a period of time EMIs you can pay. So then I would suggest you should go for ready to use apartment. Then there's nothing best than that, but not as an investment.
Oh, I see.
For self use, yes.
Right. So Balwinder, let's close this with one advice from you कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या कहता है एक चीज जो किसी भी बायर को या इन्वेस्टर को ध्यान रखनी चाहिए बिफोर पिकिंग अ प्रॉपर्टी?
किरण, एक ना बड़ी अच्छी लाइन इंटरनेट पे थोड़े दिन पहले मैंने पढ़ी और उसको मैंने ना एक क्रिएटिव के फॉर्म में भी बनाया, दैट द डे यू सो द सीड इज नॉट द डे यू प्लग द फ्रूट।
राइट.
Right. So my piece of advice is very clear that if you buy something as an investor, please have patience for some period of time. In my opinion, it ranges from minimum of 1 year to 2 years and 2.5 years. Let your money grow with the market. Artificially inflated markets are very, very risky, and that is a real gamble. So my piece of advice to buyer is, if you think that you are buying or investing, please keep funds ready. Never anticipate or assume that without paying installments, you'll be able to make money and get exit easily.
Right. Perfect. That's a great advice, Balwinder. Thank you so much.